Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lucky Luke here with another gear review. I've just recently put on these Denali D7 Pro spotties and they are fantastic lights. I got the whole thing from Steve at a Bike Thing, including the bracket which goes up in here, the spotties, all the wiring that goes back to the Hex Easy Can. Did that myself. He's got some great videos up where it shows you how to pull the bike down and put it back together. It's the first time I'd done that. I would have made a video on it, but I knew it was going to take me forever. I just wanted to take my time and do it right the first time. Was not too difficult. And I got all that done, got the spotties on there. I'm still playing around with them. They are super, super bright, so you've got to be a little bit careful during the day how you set them up, but fully programmable through the Easy Can, which is excellent. And I'll tell you a little bit about the programming of these lights, but currently I've got them set up so that during the day and during the night they're on 20% only. As sort of daytime running lights, and I'm even wondering if 20% is a bit too obnoxious. It's reasonably bright. Maybe could come back to 10%. I'll play with them for a bit longer and see if I want to change that. And then of course once you hit high beam they go full beam and they are super, super bright. So you will not have any complaints about how bright they are. They're sort of, they'll melt your skin type of bright. The great thing about these lights is that they're kind of in two sections. So there's 3 LEDs that go across the middle here, and they are individually controllable from the 4 which sit at the top and bottom. So you can set them up in a whole bunch of different ways. It comes with this clip which goes over the middle 3, and you can have that as an orange clip like I've got it, or you can have it as a white which would just act as like a diffuser, or you can have a yellow one. They all come in the box and you can set it up however you want, or you can leave it off and just have them as spotties with the 7 LED lights. Being able to program those 3 lights differently though, you can put the orange across it, you can run it as a daytime running light, and then when you indicate, you can have the other lights go off and just that light indicate flashing to show that you're turning, which is kind of cool, and that's how I've set them up. So I've got everything running at 20%, and then when I indicate, the white lights go off and just that one flashes and indicates to show that you're turning. I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. There's different ways of setting it up. I've used 3 channels on my Easy Can, but you could even set it up using 4 if you wanted to use all the features and functionality. I won't go into that now, but that's kind of how I've got them set up, and for the moment I'll give that a go. Maybe later I'll take it off and just try different ways, but that's what you can do. So I'll give you a quick look. Obviously a video is not going to tell you anything about how bright the lights are, etc. You can't really tell. But I've got it set like that, so kind of everything's running in a running light, all the lights. I could also just turn off those top and bottoms and just have the orange running as the running light, but I haven't done that so far, but that's kind of how I've got them set up. And I've kind of got them a little bit pointed down at the moment because I'm just, I don't want to blind people while I'm sort of figuring this out. But just to give you an idea, if I use my turn signals, the white goes out. More difficult to see on the video, but the white goes out and now it's just the blinking, as you can tell, like gives you a whole bunch of extra blinking. So if I indicate left, then that's going to do it on that side. If I cancel that, and then obviously the full beam, which, as I say, doesn't do it justice in a video, but it is super, super bright. So yeah, overall, really great quality product. They're obviously made very well, and so far super happy with them. They went on, everything went like it should. I didn't really have too much problem. It's the first time I've used anything with an Easy Can, so it was new to me, but I found that just reading the instructions and following the videos, I could get them on, and it all went pretty smoothly. So far so good, and maybe I'll do a review after I've had them for 6 months and really got them tuned into the way that I like them. But hey, from the front, you can see me coming. I'm well and truly lit up. That's my review on their Denali D7 Pros, and I hope you got something out of that. If you're looking to buy them, I would say, hey, great product. They are really good. So I hope that encourages you and helps you out in some way. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that'll encourage me to make more videos. In the meantime, ride safe. See you soon.